Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate, electronics and communication graduate, chemical graduate, civil graduate. So it's a beautiful opportunity for all the branches to make the best use of it. And name of the company is LNC India Limited. I will be providing the PDF in the description. So once you click the PDF, you can see the detailed advertisement. Even you can see the information in the official website of NLC India too. When you scroll down, I will be giving the PDF, right? So when you open the PDF, you can see the project ID notification. So it is a recruitment for junior engineer trainee S1 grade for various discipline, and salary will be between 31,000 to 1 lakh rupees for naval units and Bar Singer projects, NTPL and Talabira mines. So these are the places where vacancies are available. So who and all can apply is see, these are the departments who can apply: junior engineer trainee for mechanical, electrical, junior engineer trainee for civil and chemical and mining. So these are the number of department, and how many vacancies are available in respective units you can see here. Even branch wise, that is project wise, reservation is also available. Navally, so these many vacancies are there. So individually we can see how many vacancies are there. So if you are willing to get training under them and further work means, you can apply for this. So qualification is for mechanical, electrical, civil and chemical, same, full time and part time, diploma with minimum 3 years of duration in the respective department. You can check the qualification details. So if you fit for that means, then you can apply for this job. And in addition, they also will provide CDC mentioned above, medical free medical insurance for self and dependent, house building advance, group insurance, etc. So you will be paid in a scale of 31,000 to 1 lakh rupees, as I said before, and a CTC of 8.82 lakhs. So it's a great opportunity, so kindly don't miss it. And age limit will be minimum 2 years of remaining service as on this date, and candidate training will be 1 year, and after successful completion you can be upgraded as the junior engineer grade 2. And place of posting is you will be asked to work in any area or unit under the control of NLC India Limited. So you should go to wherever they say. And relaxation, and see the relaxation according to our category. And mode of selection will be purely written test, 100 marks, 30 marks. Part A will be comprising of 30 questions on general aptitude, comprising quantitative, general English, reasoning, general awareness in 10th standard level. Part 2, that is 70 questions from the respective department, totally 100 objective question, and 70 questions are based on the diploma level. So question paper will be in English, and there is no negative marking. And minimum qualifying mark is given here for various categories. Just kindly make a note of it. And for applying it, you have to apply in the online portal from 8/12/2021 is available till 5/1/2022. So now manual or proper paper application will be entertained. So scrutiny of application will be based on the written test. So kindly make a note of the online portal closing, that is it's open from 8/12 to 5/1/2022. So interested candidates can make the best use of it. Kindly share the video to mechanical, electrical, electronics, civil and chemical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.